Okay, I couldn't resist. Here's a really great shot of the Smithsonian Castle and the banner for this festival that we're at today, the Smithsonian Folklife Festival 2025. And this year's theme of the festival is youth and the future of culture. So a lot of these booths and exhibits and performances today are themed for young folks, including that streetwise tent and booth right down there where we're going to go see a skateboarding exhibition in just a little bit. But right now we're still in the woodworking, masonry, and ironworks section of the festival. Thankfully, they set up this festival in this shaded area with all these big, beautiful trees. So we're not out in the blazing heat all day long. These guys over here looks like they're constructing a traditional log cabin style structure, a very small one, using mallets and chisels and the old-fashioned techniques of chiseling out the wood and creating a notch, which creates a joint. And that's a very labor-intensive practice. This young man over here on the left is sawing the first rough markings for the cut. So they'll do the same thing on that side. And here's a good shot of a completed structure using the same techniques. Just a simple tower of wood. Here's a view of the front door of this structure. Now in between these big, huge wooden logs is a gap, and that's where all the chinking and the insulation materials will go. The chinking is what prevents the wind from coming through into the building. So yeah, that's a really cool exhibit where these guys are learning and practicing traditional log cabin building skills. Yeah, let's see what's going on over here. Well, here's a map of the whole festival, a really great view of the whole setup of the festival. There's a streetwise skateboarding booth that I told you about that we're going to be going to next. And here's a foodways booth right over here that we're hoping to also go to in a few minutes. So let's go see. Oh, here's some ironworks. Let's go see what this gentleman is talking about.
Performance skills, music theory, and history and business, entrepreneurship through the legendary Stax Records. Inspires young people in launching professional music careers by preserving blues, gospel, rock, and R&B traditions. So everybody, please give it up for our panel today. So I'm just going to start this off super easy. Just introduce yourselves, your position at Stax, and how did you fall in love with the program?
Hello y'all, my name is Ariana. I've been in Stax since 6th grade. So I've been in, I knew about Stax since my mama, she worked at Soulsville, and I've been around them most of my life. She was pregnant with me there, so I've been there my whole life. So I've been there 6th grade to now. I'm a senior. Well, I graduated already.
Hey,
I am
congratulations.
Thank you. I'm going to